Good day, my viewers. Welcome back to my tutor, which is Mobax. Today, they are giving us a question under double integral. But before I move on, I'd like to beg to subscribe or to follow this page, share the video, and like it. Let us move to the question given to us. Solution. Evaluate r equal to integral 0 to 1, also integral 0 to 1, x cubed y squared dx dy. This is a question from double integral. But let me write it. If I equal to integral 0 to 2, or another integral 0 to 1, x cubed y squared dx dy. The first step you will apply whenever you are given a double integral. So you have to consider the first step, which is what? Which is this. You have to consider this. If you consider this, you know how to what? How to integrate the what? The first variable. But the first the x, we first see what? The x. That means we have to what? We have to integrate the what? Variable of x. Also, we look at what? The nearest integral to what? To this dx. The nearest integral to this dx is what? Is 0 to 1. So now we have to integrate what? We have to integrate this. We have to integrate this, the integrate near to what? To the x. That means by integrating all this, because the x is the nearest to what? This integral. Now integral is 0 to 1, open bracket, integral is 0 to 2, sorry, one integral is 0 to 1, x cubed y square dx close bracket dy. You have to integrate this by choosing the word y square as constant, because we have to what? Because they are given what? The x only, variable of x, you have to integrate. Now integral is 0 to 2, open bracket, integral is 0 to 1. While by choosing y square as a constant, y square multiplied by what? X raised power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. By using a general formula for it, x raised power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now close bracket dy. Now integral is 0 to 2, open bracket, integral is 0 to 1, y square multiplied by what? X raised power 3 plus 1, giving us of 3 raised power 4 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4, close bracket dy. Since we have integrated, the next step we should distribute the bond to the what? To the variable. By distributing the bond, also integral is 0 to 2, open bracket, y square multiplied by x raised power 4 divided by 4, close bracket, is 0 to 1 dy. Now we have to distribute the what? Integral. Let us take a look at what? The upper limit. Let's start from the upper limit, which is what? 1. Whenever we see x, we be subtracting as 1. Now integral is 0 to 2, open bracket, y square, because we have to take y square as constant, as I said earlier. X, whenever we see x, we be subtracting as 1 divided by all in brackets 1 raised to power 4 all divided by 4 minus y square multiplied by what? X. The lower limit is what? 0. Whenever we see 0, we substitute as what? Whenever we see x, we be substituting as what? As 0. Open bracket 0, close bracket, raised to power 4 divided by 4, close bracket dy. Now integral is 0 to 2, open bracket, 1 raised to power 4 is 1. 1 multiplied by y square will be giving us y square divided by 4 minus 0 raised to power 4 is 0. 0 times y square will be giving us what? 0 divided by 4 multiplied by what? Dy. Now integral is 0 to 2, open bracket y square divided by 4 minus 0 divided by 4 be giving us what is 0. So this they are gone, close bracket, dy. Now you can see that what we have derived what one integral. So we have also to integrate this, but we cannot integrate it because of what these have become what in form of fraction. We have to factorize the constant r, which is 4. That means by factorizing the constant r, we have coefficient of 1 here. Coefficient of y squared is what 1. So we have to factorize square down 1 over 4 integral is equal to 2 y square dy. Now we cannot integrate this since we have factorized the constant term. It will be easy for by using the general formula for integration for it. 1 over 4 integral is equal to 2 y square plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Now let me clean this space. One over 4 integral is equal to 2 y raised to power 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we can now distribute the bond to it, which is what 1 over 4 all in brackets y raised to power 3 divided by 3 close bracket is equal to 2. Whenever let us start from the upper limit first, which is what 2. Whenever we see 2, be something as y. So equal to what? All equal to what? 1 over 4 open bracket. We want to distribute the bond to it. From the upper bond is 2. So by substituting y to be equal to 2, which is what 2 all in bracket raised to power 3 divided by 3 minus lower bond is 0. So whenever we see y, we something as what is 0. Open bracket all in bracket is 0 raised to power 3 divided by 3 close bracket. Now equal to what? Or equal to what? 1 over 4 open bracket 2 raised to power 3 is 8 divided by 3 minus 0 raised to power 3 is what? Is 0 divided by 3 close bracket equal to what? 1 over 4 open bracket 8 divided by 3 minus 0 divided by 3 be giving us what is 0 minus. So that one I've gone like that. So close bracket. Now equal to what? You can now use this fraction to open the bracket. 1 times 8 is what? 1 times 8 is what? 8 divided by what? 4 times 3 is what? 12. Now you cannot leave an answer like this. So since 4 can go in numerator and denominator, you can say 4 here is what? 2, 4 here is 3. Now our final answer to be equal to what? 2 divided by 3. This is our final answer when I equal to what? 2 divided by 3. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video and like it, and comment. So God bless for watching. See you on my next content.